We'll guide you through how to make inverted text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure that Adobe Photoshop is fully installed on your computer. On your desktop, carefully open the Adobe Photoshop application. Go directly to File, then Open, and securely select a colorful or high-contrast background photo to perfectly serve as your canvas. Navigate smoothly to the left toolbar and accurately select the horizontal type tool, showing the T icon. Look closely at the top options bar and carefully change your text color entirely to pure white. Firmly click anywhere on your image and carefully type your desired text. Use the convenient top menu to successfully make the font very thick and incredibly large, so the beautiful inverted effect is clearly visible. Now, please look closely at your Layers panel securely located on the bottom right side of your active screen. You should clearly see your background image safely placed at the absolute bottom and your completely new text layer sitting perfectly on top. Click directly on your text layer to securely ensure it is the currently active selection. Near the top left of the Layers panel, accurately find the Blend Mode drop-down menu, which is currently set completely to normal by default. Firmly click this drop-down menu to successfully reveal a long list of blending options. Carefully scroll down to the middle section and securely select the Difference option. Instantly, your pure white text will act exactly like a negative film, wonderfully inverting the exact colors of absolutely whatever is directly behind it. To successfully see the true magic of this amazing effect, securely select the standard Move tool perfectly from the top of your left toolbar. Confidently click and smoothly drag your beautiful text securely around the active canvas, and wonderfully watch the inverted colors dynamically update directly in real time as they smoothly pass over different parts of the beautiful background. If you personally feel the amazing text does completely not stand out securely enough, you can easily double-click the specific text layer and successfully enable the beautiful drop shadow effect today. Finally, simply adjust the shadow settings completely until the completed text absolutely looks beautifully more incredibly prominent perfectly, and you are absolutely completely successfully finished and totally wonderfully beautifully done with this amazing, awesome, incredible, fantastic editing project absolutely today.